The virtual tour in XR-Easy allows you to walk through a 3D environment with predefined viewpoints. The easiest way is to create the virtual tour in desktop mode and then walk through it in VR. To do this, first load the model you want to present. In our case, we want to create a tour of a training workshop. Think about where you want to place your first viewpoint. Open the Options menu in the toolbar and click on Positions to open the viewpoint editor. You can set a viewpoint anywhere in your field of view by left-clicking. The viewpoint is always placed on the area that you are clicking on, for example on the floor or on the roof of the workshop. If you move the mouse over the corresponding arrows and hold down the left mouse button, you can move the viewpoint in the room. The height cannot be changed. You can rotate the viewpoint by using the corresponding arrows. The arrow shows the direction in which the user is facing when teleported to the viewpoint. As soon as a user is at a viewpoint, he can change his perspective freely, but remains at the fixed position in the room. By left-clicking on the arrow, you can try out the viewpoint and adopt the perspective of the viewpoint. You can continue to move freely and leave the perspective of the viewpoint using the usual W, A, S, and D movement buttons. If you place a viewpoint by mistake, you can delete it by clicking on the red X. The order in which you place viewpoints determines the order of the tour. As soon as all viewpoints have been placed, click on the checkbox. You can now change the names of the viewpoints in the menu. You can also delete viewpoints here by using the red X. Click on the Options menu to close it again. Now we can switch from desktop mode to VR mode. Put the VR goggles on yourself or another user. Go to the Teleport menu in the hand menu and click on Next. You will be teleported to the first viewpoint. You can use the next and previous arrows to determine which viewpoint you will jump to next. You can also create and delete viewpoints in VR. To add a viewpoint, teleport to the desired position in the room using the normal teleport menu. Position yourself in the position you want the viewpoint to assume later. Click Add Viewpoint to add a viewpoint. If you want to delete a viewpoint in VR, go to Viewpoint in the hand menu and click Delete. In VR, you can now move between viewpoints as well as use the teleport menu to adjust the final position.